Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature a variety of bob haircuts, options, and ideas that you can play around with this spring and summer season. So if you have been dreaming of cutting your hair into a bob, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these haircuts, options, and ideas, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest hair trends. So the stylist colors the hair and gives the client a haircut. Looks like she ended up going bright blonde. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful color refresh just in time for the spring and summer season. She looks amazing. And then we move into a bob haircut transformation. So she starts off with mid-length hair, and the stylist does cut the hair into a bob. Beautiful blunt cuts, and this is of the longer bob variation, making it more of like a lob. And then we see this stunning brunette chocolate colored bob haircut. Gorgeous. I love her shirt. So cute. Love the pop of color that this bob has. Very subtle and fun, and she can play around with the placement. And then we have this gorgeous bob that features beautiful color mix of blonde, brunettes. Beautiful. And then we have a bob haircut here with some bangs. Wow, look at that ponytail. Then we have a jaw length bob haircut. This is definitely a classic bob variation. another beautiful jaw length style bob. And this one does feature a little bit of blonde going there in the front to frame out the face. Beautiful. Followed by another short and sweet bob. This one also features face framing highlights. Followed by an all black bob style. And if you guys are into bob haircuts, definitely check out Chris Jones' hair. He's an amazing hairstylist that is very talented at doing bob haircuts. And his Instagram account is filled with so much inspiration. You will definitely love his Instagram. So I hope that you guys did enjoy checking out all of these bob hairstyles with me. If you did feel inspired by any of these looks, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.